Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I have a commission. The other day, a very nice young lady watched my pictures and she wanted to buy one. I normally don't sell my pictures, but she wanted to buy a ghost tree I made the other day from leftover colors from my pouring medium test. But this tree is a failure. It is not well made, the colors are cracked. I wanted to let it cure fully for 2 months, repair the surface and overpaint it, but she wanted this tree. I said, I can't sell this. I can't sell such a picture. I want this tree. She said, I love it. Okay, I can't sell such a thing. And I donated it to her. She sent me a photo with a picture on her wall and said, I love it. And I asked, should I not make another one for you? She said, yes, I like your picture, but I want another one. I will take another one, a ghost tree. And I asked her for colors. She had no preferences, but she loved the red ghost tree I made the other day for the video. You can watch if you want. She wanted a bit calmer and with more gold. And now I try to implement this. This is for you, Juna, only if you want it. Dieses Bild ist für Sie, Juna, aber nur wenn Sie es mögen. I have pre-painted my sides and edges. I have attached a tape dome so I don't waste color. Now I'm putting my base coat down. It's this beautiful peachy pink I have left from my table scrape, indeed, from the other red pictures. A good torch to pop the air bubbles. So, and here I'm putting some, I think it is, yes, it's coppered mortar, to get a marble structure into my base coat. Just a tiny bit. Sorry. Another torch. Taking the base coat off, and now my colors into the middle. I have Montmartre Brilliant Red. I have Pebeo Orange Iridescent. That was the orange. I have a magenta and a metallic white. And of course gold, because Juna wanted gold in her picture, a lot of gold. And I will swipe with Amsterdam Caput Mortem on one side, partly, and on the other side with Amsterdam Magenta. And now I put music on. If you like, enjoy the process.